Okay, now I think it's working, and yeah, it should be working now. Okay, how do I check it? So okay, good, it works now. It works. So yeah, so sorry for everybody who's been waiting, because I ran into some difficulties. I made an assumption which turned to be not very true. Yeah, sorry for my eyes, it's an allergy on something. Spring is in the air, and well, not all of us, so some of us have allergy. So anyway, so today I'm going to talk about this thing. So here it all started this morning. Actually it started sometime before, but it was also I was speaking to some friends and some people at Cadorans, and I learned that JakartaEE, which is basically enterprise Java, needs some help, maintenance, for example. And well, I have enough time. I have time. I can help. So why shouldn't I, right? So I thought, let's investigate. So apparently, here there was this place. Let me check. Jakarta. If we go to my Twitter, we can see this morning, what I did this morning, right? Which will be this place. Oh, okay. Which will be this one. Let me see. Yeah, that one. So there's a website called start.jakarta.ee. Okay, and it was describing how to set up the project, but using the latest Jakarta, which is enterprise Java. But as of this morning, I didn't know that this thing here, it's actually not fully ready, that there's some bugs, known bugs, and the new version will be rolled out somewhere in February. So there was this gentleman, one moment, let me see, yeah, Reza Raman, who is well, I don't know how I missed meeting him, but he is a JakartaEE ambassador. If you check at the amount of code he commits, it's really impressive. And yeah, so definitely follow him. I will actually mention him in the stream. So I'm not sure how can I. Let me just quickly check if I can see the chat and somehow in this restream thing, because well, it's very lonely without a chat, I would say. Otherwise I will have to open chats in multiple places, and that's definitely not what we want, right? So probably I won't find the chat today, so I will just use the. It's actually quite sad. How can so not sure how this restream thing, it's full of surprises, because I expected that my stream is happening, but apparently it's yeah, it should be happening. We can see it here. Yeah, so basically I cannot see your comments at the moment, and that's not nice. But and I'm not sure how to fix it, because there used to be a window here. There used to be a window which had the comments thing, but I don't know what happened to it. So I would expect it to be somewhere here, but apparently it's lost. Yeah, that's not nice. Well, I will just monitor. I will just monitor then in two places, right? I will just monitor my own YouTube, and I will monitor the Twitter. I think it's not. I think I know it's on Twitter as well. So from now on, and Twitter as well. So there won't be many people, so it's okay. So now Twitter, and on Twitter it's, I don't know how you create those. Oh, there's 0 viewers. Okay, of course, not of course, but yeah, there's 0 viewers, and yeah, let's see. So this project, it's on eclipse-ee4j. Oh, I need to turn off the voice there. Okay, so this project, you can find it in eclipse-ee4j. So actually, let's go and follow them, right? Yeah, the internet is a bit slow because I'm using it for upload at the moment. Maybe next time I'll just make a recording and then I'll put it for everybody to see. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do next time, because it will be high quality video. And anyway, so let's fork it as well. That's a good tradition. Then I'll get the very same copy, but yeah, while it's forking. This is interesting. So let's see what this page actually is, because I expect it to be this Eclipse starter for JakartaEE, and that's a whole project, Eclipse starter for JakartaEE. Let me see. So this is an official Eclipse Foundation. Yeah, a bit lower. Server for Foundation starter for JakartaEE generates code to help start it, and so on. Using Maven. Okay, so it is possible to do so using Maven archetypes. So yeah, so they use Maven archetypes. So from your command line, you can download and build the whole project without, and enjoy. Yeah, actually build it without spending too much of your time, as described here. Here. So here we have those commands. So that's the archetype which we used to create the project. But as we learned this morning, it doesn't really work, not fully. It will create you a stub of this minimal project. This one, minimal starter, okay, and that's basically it. There won't be much. Now let's see. So current release, because this one is you see it's been updated yesterday, some of the files. GitHub, but still counts, somebody's touching it. So this is development version of the starter. This is very good, because we know starter is not in shape yet, so this thing must be much better. Sorry. So we already have IntelliJ with this thing. So let's go here, control, Maven clean install, right? Let's see what happens. So control allows you to run commands in IntelliJ. It's extremely convenient stuff. Okay. So far so good. It didn't break. Because this morning it was nightmare. Well, not nightmare, but still not really nice. Because the instructions from this website, they do not fully work. Then I think, how to find this start.jakarta.ee? Because if I come here, then it's home eclipse start. Okay, if I click home, I will go to JakartaEE. But oh, this is the start. Okay, cool. Because otherwise I'll be dependent on the link, and that's not something what I would like to be dependent on. Now, let me see. So yeah, it's still building, but it shouldn't stop us from reading the docs, right? So we built it from source up to Java 17. Well, not the really latest one, but still good. What's the latest? This JDK download. I don't often develop Java these days. Today it was Angular, for example. So currently it's 19. So I think it's quarterly releases now, every 3 months, right? Success, that's good. Although I'm interested what is rank here, but yeah. Anyway. So now they're suggesting. Oh, so we did build from source, okay? But that's what they suggest us to do if we want to generate from source, okay? And let me see. So if I do that, so basically what they're suggesting, another option. So yeah, don't ask me why I'm using Windows. Okay. Let's see if it works. So, and I'm especially interested in which project will get created. Now, let me see. I'm just sharing the news. Project for Java. Cool. So that should be working. Okay. Now let's see. So Maven clean install. That's okay. That's our. So confirm properties configuration. Blah blah blah. JakartaEE hello world. That's beautiful. Okay. So now I believe it. This is so much better than this morning. This morning I've spent so much energy on this stuff. Sorry. So it was what? GitHub gdev GitHub, and it was Jakarta something, Jakarta hello something, right? Yeah, this one. New window, and let's compare. Okay, so there's a project. Apparently it checks out. Now now let's see. So there's not much actually. Oh, wow, this is interesting. This is a good joke. The pair, which I think, I'm not sure how to pronounce it actually. So maybe pair is I need to see what is pair and what is Jakarta, okay? Because I think I've seen pair. Not I think, I'm quite sure that on the last DevOps in London, pair was there. Okay. So what is pair platform? Oh, so pair is this is good. Cloud native open source server runtime which provides support for containers out of the box, so you can reduce your infrastructure and business cost of existing applications. Container friendly features for Docker and Kubernetes are built in. This is beautiful. This is really beautiful. So now Java has this stuff as well. So now so this is a sample application, right? Oh, now we have Maven wrapper as well. You see, just in one. Just in one go, oh sorry, clean package. Really? Oh, because it's Windows. I think. Really? Why? How came? Okay, I can do just this. Oh, I didn't know how this. I don't know how this command runs. Okay. Okay, clean package. Now it should work. So apparently Maven now created wrapper as well. Now I'm not sure when it happened. It's a good feature in Gradle, where basically Gradle and Maven, their systems to build their frameworks, set of tools, whatever, to build your projects. But the problem is that there's so many versions of Gradle, like which are quite different, and their compatibility issues and stuff. And then when you have a number of projects, let's say 20. And how do you know which Gradle version to use where? So yeah, sorry for that. So how do you know which version of Gradle to use? So you use Gradle wrapper. How do you know which version of Maven to use? You use Maven wrapper. So Maven wrapper will dictate which version of Maven to use in the project. I expect that here we'll see, yeah, wrapper properties, and you can see that 3.1.1 is used, right? And this is good because that shows us which version is used. So now you can just open and build. Anyway, let's continue. So we have this project. So it told us to clean package that will generate, that we know. So they suggest us to run the application by deploying the file to JakartaEE compatible runtime, right? But what I remember, yeah, sorry for this noise. I live with flatmates. So from what I remember, there was an idea to install Docker as well. If you go here and we go here, so I think but I'm not sure it will work here, right? Oh wait, why it's not stopping? What is going on there? That's interesting. No, I don't want to terminate. Tell me what's going on. Oh, that's interesting. So here, if I do, if I run this too. Okay, what about package? But it still completes, right? Yeah. What about this stuff? JakartaEE, JakartaEE, hello world, v1. And I think they wanted a dot there, but I'm not sure. So, okay, what changed? Oh, okay, so not much. Now, can I do Jakarta run, Docker run thing? Oh, well, I know it's like very naive. What was the v1, right? Oh, really? 1 second. What was the image name? JakartaEE hello world. This one, right? That was copy. Now if I that's Docker run. I don't need Docker run. I need this one. Docker build. And was it different? JakartaEE Hello World V1. I think it was different. No, it wasn't. It's the same one. I think it's the same one. So it won't work. I'll still try, but I don't think it will work. Yeah, the image doesn't exist locally. Docker. So yeah, nothing there. I'm not very good with Docker yet, so we'll find out. What else? So unfortunately I cannot do this part yet. Now, how else can we help? Let's see. So issues, there are issues, right? First cup tutorial. You know what, the first thing I'll do, I will actually contact the news group. And oh, what's that? Oh, it's already in progress, right? Okay, so there are pull requests as well. Let's see what's going on there. So yeah, after this stream ends, which will be very soon, what I will do, and next time I think I'll just stream to YouTube without this restream thing in between. What I will do next time, before next time actually, maybe this morning, because I really need to sleep, I will actually ask the community to where does it hurt most. Because for example, the starter UI, core profile. Oh, I know Emily Young. I've seen her, she's amazing. This is good. You keep seeing friendly faces all around the place. Core profile should be grayed out. Can you add a screenshot, please? Maybe I will be able to fix, but I'm new to the project. So a screenshot will be appreciated. Okay, I've made my first code contribution. Well, it's not exactly code, but like, come on. I'm contributing to Enterprise Java. This is crazy. This is one of the most popular and most important programming languages in the world. Okay, this one I don't know. This one is in progress. What's that? So yeah, so I think what I will do now, yeah, so we'll call it a day for now, but I will just start working on these tickets daily, and that's it. And so first I will ask the news group where the help is needed, maybe. And then I will, what is this thing? Projects. so it's not really used. What about this stuff? Okay, so there was an idea to have something like Kanban board. Okay. Oh, look. There's a lot for everybody. Like, this is documentation. This is amazing stuff. It's support for Gradle. This can be done easily. Yeah. Is it still relevant? I can add instructions for eclipse-ee4j to the readme md file. That helps. Okay. So yeah, I will get some rest and I'll take a deep look at this project. And by the way, all my comments, they actually count, right? So if you check, so it's just the fork which counts. Okay, cool, no worries. We are still doing this stuff. So there's a lot of work, which is good. Anyway, I'll call it a day. And this stuff is amazing because you don't really need much big knowledge of Java. As long as you can run Maven, that's already good enough. Or even if you don't know how to do this stuff, you can find somebody who does. All right. And I can see here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 good first issues. Some of them are documentation, at least one. So it's a very good start. So this is code contribution in a way. No, well, it's documentation, but still. So yes, that was a good day, and let's call it a day. And thank you, whoever was watching it. Thank you very much. Now we can live long and prosper. How do I stop? This way. Click the button. See you, friends. Good luck contributing to the project. Let me actually put it in the comments. So the issues to work upon. Okay, and that's good. And now we are victorious. Now we can stop event. Thank you very much, and see you later. Bye. Bye.